Okay, let's start again. So as you can see, the pathway was blocked by this one. So back to walk. Beautiful canary roof, and these are the best properties to live in. These ones, they're clean, they have a historical value, significance, as well as it's beautiful, quiet, calm. There's nothing happening, but these properties are rarely come to the market. Now they are away from the main road, away from everything else, and they have so much history inside, and these buildings are very beautiful from inside as well. I love every bit of it. And then you can see another old block of the housing association, very big one, but they make it very very clean all the time. It's very presentable, the building is. And let's walk this way now. You are still calm. Such a beautiful sight today. Loving it. It's a big building, but it's one of the good one for social housing association, with a very nice view from the top floor, as you can see. Christmas walk's about to come to end. We're nearly there. I mean, I am nearly there. I don't know why I keep saying we. Since I saw myself walking around. So I thought I'm gonna eat carbs next 3 days, but I think I will break my own promise. This is the way I meant to come, because there is no transportation, so I have to walk. So I have to go other side all the way into the Canary Wharf pier. Then boat gonna bring me to this pier, the pier you can see in front of me. Then I have to walk from here. Luckily, I made it by walking. Or we have to cross this and little building you can see. This building is basically to manage the water flow into the docks. If the boats want to come in, I just want to leave, so they can manage this one. These are the barriers. voice that I'm screaming anyway. Because while you're walking and vlogging, you're talking to the camera, and it is something new to me anyway. And people stare at me like I'm doing something criminal. It is strange. These piers goes up and down with the water flow. If the river's tide is low, then this pier gonna go all the way to 10 to 15 feet down, and it can go all the way up as well. And all the lights you can see other side of the river is a Canary Wharf pier. Again, we have to walk around. What's this? To be honest, I've never been here before, and I spent my entire life living in London. Most of the time, we just go to central London, work, and come back. And this is really nice area. Such a nice place. It is. You can tell by the look of it. Oh, I can hear the sound of bikes. Oh yeah. From there. Show you from there. Save my energy. Okay, this one is for walking. This one is for drive. By the look of these buildings, this looks like I'm in back to Bath Spa. Look at this, private resident. And I'm very much sure if you go through you take the stairs that you're going to end up in garden inside. By the look of it, looks very nice. Let's have a peek. Oh wow, smells very nice. Wow. Okay, the door of the houses are basically from here. If you just walk around the circle, and these are all doors to go to your place. Very nice. And look at this street. Oh, look at this building. It's all such a pretty street it is. Wow, that is such a pretty place it is. Wow, now I'm happy. And I'm feeling very happy. This reminds me of York. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the panels up there. They're all wood panels with the metal frames. And the social housing building is even pretty as well. Okay. There is no doubt. Look at this building. It's all the way to the riverside. Look at this, such a beautiful place. Though it's subwoof. Okay. Look at this. Even the social housing buildings are very clean and elegant. But you can tell by the car collection. They have a car collection in the street. People got the money here. Again, amazed. Beautiful color coordination. Tiles. And look at the baby green. Absolutely love it. Christmas Day, people enjoying the food at home, some people are just out for a walk, enjoying a cup of coffee, sit down having a laugh. That's the beauty of this country. It's multicultural. So people have different ways to celebrate Christmas here. Anyway, keep exploring the way I'm going anyway. No more I give a damn. I just keep walking. People are so fucking greedy. They didn't even leave a little space so people can walk straight. Now they have to fucking close down to build something to give a better view to the fucking homeowners, so they can charge as much as they like and sell whatever the price they fucking like. But meanwhile, since I'm walking home, I do realize one thing: is such a beautiful place it is. Should have been explored, but no. Look at this. Whoever made the effort to put the lights on, nice work. Blue color, white, nice. And I like in structures and the combination of color they go with. Very nice. Such a beautiful view right now. For a house to live here, that's for sure. That's for sure. To live in this area for sure. I really want to stay here and capture everything, but again, it seems like it is going to be end of the vlog. Reason being because battery is about to die, so I'd rather keep some battery in case of emergency. So, and I hope you are gonna like this vlog anyway, because it is just walking around during the Christmas day, so you can see what's happening in London. I do apologize because I couldn't really show you much, because it is not very busy anyways. You can see everything is shut down, so there is no transportation. I just pick the random route. So good luck with. See you later with new adventure. Take care.